In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on Facebook Marketplace in 2025. Whether you're looking to hire for your business or just need some extra help around the house, Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic platform to get the word out. We're going to go through this process step by step, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to Facebook. Once you're logged into your account, you should see the familiar Facebook interface. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a sidebar with several options. Scroll down until you see the See More link. Click on it, and this will expand the menu to show you additional features, including Marketplace. Next, you'll want to click on Marketplace. This is Facebook's dedicated space for buying, selling, and apparently now hiring. Once you're in the Marketplace, head over to the Create New Listing button. This is the starting point for all new postings, whether they be items for sale, vehicles, or in our case today, jobs. Once you have clicked the Create New Listing button, you'll be prompted to choose the type of post you want to create. Select Item for Sale, even though it sounds a bit counterintuitive, because Facebook does not have a specific job listing category directly within Marketplace yet. Now that you're in the new listing interface, the first step is to add photos. You can click on the Add Photos area and upload images that best represent the job or the company. This visual component is crucial as it captures the attention of potential applicants quickly. Move on to the text fields below, where you'll start by entering the job title. Keep it clear and concise. A straightforward job title helps applicants find your listing more easily. Next, enter the salary or pay rate for the position. Transparency in compensation can improve the quality of responses you receive. Next up is the description field. Here, you have the chance to provide a detailed overview of the job responsibilities, requirements, and any other relevant details. The more information you can provide here, the better. Many applicants appreciate clarity about the role they're considering. Don't forget to add the name of your company, even if you're hiring for a more casual position. Including a company name adds credibility to your listing. Below that, you'll find a section for tags. Type in relevant keywords that describe the job. This will help people find your listing when searching on Marketplace. After you've filled in all the necessary fields, click on Next. Review your listing to ensure all the information is accurate and complete. When you're ready, click Publish to make your job live. You have the option to share the listing with specific Facebook groups as well, which can expand your reach significantly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully posted a job on Facebook Marketplace. Good luck with your hiring process, and feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need a refresher.